Hey, I'm Marleijn and I'm well known with Theo, and finally after 1 year I guess we are going to do a YouTube tutorial again. This time I want to shave it and leave my own color. It's pretty long now, like 2 centimeters, maybe a bit longer. And I want a spider web shaved out, like from my crown
Center,
to
yes.
like over my hair.
Spider woman you will be.
Kinda, I guess, yes.
It's pretty. I don't have a Spider-Man jacket or something, or a shirt. Otherwise I would put it on. I have Batman, but not here. Friends on YouTube can do Marlijn's hair. It is very warm in the salon studio, so we get to deal with that.
Yeah. With a red hat.
Yeah, red hat, wet skins.
Yes.
Put on, of course, a nice cape and protection. And this will be one of the videos where I use a clipper comb in. I normally don't do that. Not that I don't like it, but normally I don't do that. Yes. Okay, put on a one, starting on the front. And the same as I do with normal cutting, I go against the hair flow. So not straight to the back, what I see a lot of people do. I just watch how the hair falls. So when it follows the skull, I go in the opposite lines with my clipper comb. So I know for sure that all the hairs are the same length. Hier op zondag is hier ook helemaal niks te doen in dit gebouw. Dan kun je echt helemaal bijna alleen zijn. Het is echt fijn werken.
Werk je op zondag ook? Wat doe je op zondag dan?
Nou, soms wel eens iets.
Nou ja.
Ik vind het vooral belangrijk als ik heel zin heb om iets heel creatiefs te doen, om dan heel veel rust te hebben.
Ja. Maar dat is inderdaad wel moeilijk.
Ja, klopt. Dat moet je echt zoeken.
Ja.
Maar toch is het wel te vinden. Just travel over the skull one more time in opposite directions. With my small clipper of Kiona, I first clean the contour line. And then I'm going to make a spider web from the center of our hair flow. Clean the small hairs. Now the small hairs I take away with a towel because it's hot, what we already told you, so then the small hairs will stick on. I don't want that. And this is Marlijn's new hairstyle and spider web.
Yes.
Hey, spider. Okay, my love, you may turn and show the world your spider web. And it was wonderful to have you back in Nijmegen.
Yes. I thought
And I will always love you.
Oh, me too.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Hello friends on YouTube, chapter 2 of Marlijn's spider web. Now you had a lot of comments on the first spider web, but I can find me in that thought, because but it's not a ball, and it's a real spider web. So I think when the spider web is made this way, you have a spider web. And when you make it with round curves, you get a Halloween web. And that's different. You see, I changed my Batman shirt. So now I'm going to make it into a spider web. And then she may do something on my head. She never did it, so it will be a wonderful video to watch. Now this is only 2 days ago, so you see how much and how fast her hair grows, because all the lines are a little bit faded. So I start to do the lines, of course, on you, and then I'll show you after that what I make to make it a real spider web. Start to make the first lines. And now I refreshed all the lines, the straight lines. So now I'm going to make it into a real web. So I make lines between the lines. And we decided to not connect it to the front totally, because the spider would also not do that. By making these small lines between it, it certainly looks like a spider web. And otherwise you have to see on internet how a spider makes his web. Or her web. I don't know what a spider is. Maybe it's both. And some spiders not, because I know the women always eat the men after they made a wonderful thing happen. Thank God I'm not a spider. I wouldn't be here at all if I was a spider. But the temperature now is a lot better than it was Saturday, because now it's not that warm.
Still hot.
Yeah? Still hot, yes, but not as hot as Saturday.
No.
Saturday was terrible.
It's two days ago.
Yeah, it's only 2 days.
What the fuck?
But we live in Holland. And
yeah.
all things can happen in Holland.
Yeah.
So this is just a spider web and not a Halloween web. But certainly we'll make her a Halloween web one time. I'm certain of that. Maybe when she's back in autumn. And the leaves are falling. I have to sing that.
Maybe with Halloween.
Eh?
Maybe with Halloween.
Yeah, with Halloween, it's wonderful. So now it's a spider web. I think the problem was that I didn't wear this t-shirt. No, it was just too hot to work. So now she has a spider web. So she turns for you to show how this spider web looks, and make some photos of it, put them in the video together with the first photos, where you can see the difference then. Okay, Marleijn, you may show these tattoo lines to the world. I don't see the spider, but I see the web.
Yeah, maybe I'm the spider.
Yeah, you're wonderful. Thank you for Marleijn.
Thank you. En now we switch?
Ja, nou we switch.
Oké. Nou, heb ik nog nooit gedaan. Hoe werkt het?
Nou, eigenlijk, als je goed opgelet hebt, eerst één kant erin, dan zet je gewoon spanning. Dus daar, helemaal naar daar trekken, een beetje strak zetten. En dan flap je die andere eroverheen naar de andere kant.
Maar moet je hem gewoon hier...
Ja, gewoon in de ding haken.
Oh ja. Oh ja. Okay.
No. Oh her God. So now, this is the first time she is going to make a tattoo art, especially on me.
And I'm just gonna improvise, I guess.
Yeah.
Like, I want to see how it works.
But then you see how difficult it is to make tattoo art.
Yeah.
It looks easy, but you have to start in something you can damage in less than a second. Shall we show it to the viewers also a bit? I will turn a bit. How far do you want me to turn, my baby?
Gonna do something, huh?
Yeah, it doesn't matter.
This is so funny.
Yeah, strange to do. It's the same as when you were young, you draw something on somebody's skin, and then you don't know what they are drawing.
You don't know what?
They are drawing what they make on your skin. You make lines or...
Okay.
Then you have to find out what the word is or the thing is they draw on your skin with a finger. You never did that? That kind of thing?
Say it again. I was too...
Because you clippering.
Yeah.
When you do a drawing with your fingers on somebody's back, the other has to find out what it is.
Yeah.
It's very hard to do.
Yeah.
And what do you think of it? Is it difficult to do or
Yeah.
it's fun to do?
It's also difficult.
Yeah, it's also fun to do.
Yeah.
Je moet weer zien als een kalligrafeerd hebben.
Ja.
Wat ik mezelf al aangeleerd heb.
Ja.
En dan weer helemaal opnieuw moet gaan uitvinden wat ik mezelf geleerd heb.
Ja, hier
Ja,
in
Nederland, ja.
Nou, deze kan beter.
Ja, inderdaad.
En hier zie ik het bijna niet.
Ja.
Oh, sorry.
Doesn't matter.
Maar deze kant is beter.
Oké.
Dus ik ga een beetje doortrekken. Ik zie het hier beter dan aan de andere kant. Nu sta je in het beeld, hè?
Maakt niet uit.
Ja, maar je moet...
It's a boyfriend.
Misschien even wat die lijn van wat dikker maken.
He's not a customer of mine because I can't do that hair. Yeah, I can shave it off or something like that and make a short hairstyle on it, but it's not
You want that? You want that?
No. I find it wonderful on him. And thank God I don't have to have that on my head. I think it's very hot.
Yeah, it's almost like an extra blanket.
Yeah, you get used to it, but
it's really hot, right?
yeah, I believe that. I had long curly hair when I was young.
Ooh.
So when I shaved it off, it was the most wonderful experience because I thought I could take breath without opening my mouth. It's so wonderful to feel the wind on your skin.
Yeah, I can imagine. Was it the same when I shaved my
Are you ready?
I think I am.
She is ready.
Yes.
So now I'm going to turn for you to show this wonderful new hair. Put the camera a little bit closer. So I turn very slowly. And this is Marleen's first tattoo hairstyle
It's got
ever! Hey. Thank you for watching. Till next time. Bye bye friends.
Bye.
Cool. Jij bent altijd mooi. En nou is wel echt een echt spinnenwebje zo. Anders doe ik er nog een foto van een spinnenweb bij plakken.
Fuck jullie, het is
Nou ja, ik had een mooie filmpje laten zien van de spinnenweb van de kruisspin. Dat is een mooie spinnenweb. Moet je mij fotograferen?
Ja.
Zo. Ik ben ook wel heel snel nu als Superman.
Oh mijn god. Dat is heel goed.
Ja, zo.
Hello, I'm your hairdresser for today. Do you know already what style you want?
specking en ik geef Theo Knoop de rechten om mij filmpjes en alles te publiceren op Facebook, YouTube en alle social media rondom.
Nou, dankjewel. Oké, dan gaan we nou met het filmpje beginnen.